Hello everyone, this is Alok Kumar Meena, roll number 21MT10001. For our third DIY assignment, I am going to dismantle and reassemble this mixer grinder. Finally, we are inside of this machine. This is the main cord line which is connected to the socket. This is red wire which is phase wire, and this black one is neutral. Here's the regulator, and the wire from this regulator goes to this transformer. This transformer is further connected to the rectifier, and the rectifier basically converts the AC current into DC. Then the rectifier is further connected to the DC motor. The DC motor is further connected to this rotator, which actually runs the whole machine. Here we can see this earth wire also goes to this tool, which actually cuts the power supply in case of any overload. And here we can see this red button. This actually restarts this whole machine. Now here this regulator is also connected to this capacitance, which actually stores the charge. And so this is the basic working of this mixer grinder. Now let's just assemble it.